Hello, we're delighted to be here today at Beth Chatto Gardens over in Essex, where we'll be hosting the Climate Resilient Workshop in partnership with Anglian Water. Really looking forward to it, aren't we, Andre?
We are, and we're so delighted with all the wonderful lineup of speakers that we're going to have here today. It's a beautiful day, we're in a fantastic location, we're out on site, we're doing some interactive activities, and we're hearing from some experts, so we're so excited about today.
To enable them to have the different plants that they wanted.
I'm here today to represent a project called Enabling Water Smart Communities. It's an Ofwat innovation project, and it's looking at trying to break down the barriers to integrated water management in new residential development.
In England, garden spaces are 4.5 times the size of our actual nature reserve. And of course in the urban areas, which is where we're going to be really growing the housing population, the gardens in the urban areas represent about 30%.
There's an opportunity to bring people together through gardens that you don't really get necessarily in the same way with other green spaces.
This morning we went to see Chatto Wood round the corner, and what was amazing about that was to see not only the way they've planted using fairly degraded soil, but the biodiversity that that's bringing back and the ripple effect. So not only did we see some beautiful planting, but we saw the insects that brings, and what for me was the most amazing thing was to see birds already nesting in the eaves of those brand new houses. Those houses have been there for 2 years and they have a population which is just fantastic.
So in order to address all these challenges together, we need additional 7 million hectares of land, which we don't have because there's nowhere you can get this land from. So the only solution is really you have to think about multifunctionality, to really using one piece of land for multiple purposes.
Soil is so deeply atavistic part of us, dust to dust, ashes to ashes. We are soil, soil is us.
So what we do is involve people in the process, engagement. That is how you foster ownership. That is how you change opinions, change minds. Exactly what we're talking about today. This is about engagement in a journey.
This event today has been crucial in bringing together all the different parties, whether that be developers, facilities management companies and those in the landscape industry, really coming together in one place to start having this conversation around climate resilience and whether the garden and the private garden in many respects can play a part in that. It's been fantastic.
Today I've spoken to developers, people from planning, landscape architects, all looking at a different view as to how they could come together and create better gardens.